Namaste everyone. I have completed my 200 hours teacher training course at Vinyasa Yogashala. So it's really been amazing journey for me. Before coming here, I have zero idea about yoga and I'm a beginner. So, and here I got a lot of exposure about yoga. Vinyasa Yogashala is a good place for beginners and intermediates to start the journey of yoga. So theoretical classes of philosophy and anatomy, it's really mind-blowing. I learned a lot about philosophy, and then anatomy, it's like it will tell you each and everything about the human body, and then you can avoid the injuries and you can take care of your whole body. And the teachers here are really amazing. They are friendly and they take extra care for the beginners, and they will align and adjust for the each and every postures. So the campus is really neat and clean, and the food was amazing. The support staffs are really good, and they help you at any time. And we went for the excursions on Sunday. It was really amazing. We went for the Beatles and 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗏. 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗏, it's my first experience, and it was amazing. I had a good time with my, and yeah, it's been really a good journey for me here in Vinyasa Yogashala. Thank you everyone. Namaste.